All right, let's look at the gu. So you just repeat ku and then put a dot. It's gu. By itself, it means jade, 玉石的玉. Okay. At the beginning, for example, gung. This is ge wu gu. And this tooth, it functions like n. Okay, so gu. So this is a gun so far. And then one more tooth, and then with the long tail. Okay, you can put this longer. It doesn't matter. It functions like ji. So this is a gong. It corresponds with the Chinese word like a gong, military achievements especially. And the gong, duke, as a rank. And this gong, palace. All right, and sometimes it also means kuang. 矿石的矿. It's like mines. Okay, for minerals. All right, so this is a gong, and you can see gu at the beginning. And then we look at gu in the middle. For example, aguda, and gu, go gu, okay, and de da. So this is aguda. So the founder of the Jin dynasty. Okay, not the later Jin, it's the first Jin dynasty. Aguda. It can be this da. All right. So, there's a dot for da. Da means head, 就是头领. Agu means 先生. It's an honorary title for man. It's like a gentleman. Okay, gentleman. So this is gu in the middle, and let's see, gu in the end. Yeah, it's agu. So and gu. We just learned it in this name, agu. Okay, aguda. Agu is 先生. It means sir. So let me give you one more example. So it's gu in the middle. Okay, so jing gu, jing, and gu. Okay, so this is a gu in the middle, just to help you better learn this middle form. Okay, jing gu le me, le, and me. Okay, so this is a very common word. That's why I repeat this middle form of a gu here, because it means gong jing. Okay, so we learned this before. It's just here to refresh your memory. 就是这个恭敬. Okay. So usually it translated into jin. Carefully. Okay. 紧奏就是这个紧箍勒莫，我心目崩壁。Okay. 紧箍勒莫, very important word.